Master Wix donation forms. So whether you're a non-profit, a community project, or a creator with a cause, your donation form is the most important part of your website. And this year, Wix has moved away from simple donate buttons and toward a fully integrated system called Wix Donations. It handles one-time gifts, recurring subscriptions, and even automated tax receipts. And today I'm showing you the definitive setup to get your fundraising live and secure. Alright, and first, don't just drag a standard contact form onto your page. It won't handle the payment logic correctly. Instead, you just open up your Wix editor and then click Add Apps on the left panel here. And in here, you need to search for Wix Donations. So in the search for apps, type in Wix Donations. Okay, search for that. And then if you have it, for some reason I couldn't find it for myself, but it should look something like this. As you can see, Wix Donations. So this creates a dedicated dashboard and a dynamic page on your site. Unlike older methods, this app automatically creates a donations tab in your backend dashboard where you can track every cent without a spreadsheet. And now head over to your site dashboard and click Donations and then Campaigns. And after that, you just click on Create Campaign as shown right here. And the goal is transparency in this year. So set a goal amount. It creates a progress bar on your form that encourages people to help you cross the finish line. Then, what about the suggested amounts? So, it doesn't have to be left empty. Suggest values like 25, 50, or $100. Then, in this year's update, you can now toggle on monthly or weekly gifts. Recurring donors are the lifeblood of any cause, so make sure this is clearly visible. And then, in terms of the customizing the form design, you can go back to the editor, click on the new donation form and hit Settings. Under Design, you can match the colors and fonts to your brand. But here's the pro tip. Go to Form Fields. And this year's donors want a fast checkout. Only ask for the essentials. Name and email. If you're a registered charity, you can add a mailing address field for tax purposes. But remember, every extra field you add decreases your chance of a completed donation by about 10%. And now the next one, which is the most critical step, you need to go to Settings, in our Settings for Websites, and then click on Accept Payments. And now let me explain. So Wix Payments, this is the smoothest experience for credit and debit cards. PayPal, you must include this. In this year, over 40% of online donations are still made via PayPal because donors trust the one-click security. Then we have Apple and Google Pay, so these are now standard in Wix Payments and are essential for your mobile users. So if you're accepting recurring donations, make sure your connected provider supports subscription billing. Wix will flag this for you during the setup. And now you should pretty much know everything. This is how you build a professional high-converting donation system on Wix. If this tutorial helped you launch your course today, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tech tutorials. And I will see you in the next one, guys.